welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY, and in today's video we will be decorating 3 notebooks for this back to school. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and I really hope you like the DIYs and the ideas. I like to invite you guys to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you won't be missing any of the future or following videos. And now let's go on to the video. So for the first DIY, we'll need 2 pieces of paper to cover the front cover of our notebook. This way the original design won't be visible through the papers. And the nice thing about these papers is that they have a sticky back, so you do not need to use any glue. I actually got these from Amazon, but just in case you can't find these, you can also use regular paper with glue sticks, not liquid glue, because otherwise your paper will get soggy. To decorate, use acrylic paint in rainbow colors or in rainbow shades, and the eraser of a pencil to dip it into the acrylic paint and make polka dots all over the front cover. Leave a small section blank or without any polka dots, so you can also mix some blue and lilac brush strokes. Once everything is completely dry, use a black marker or a pen to write a word or a short phrase. A good idea is the word fun. You can also add an exclamation mark at the end to make it more pretty. For idea number 2, you will also need another notebook. This is actually my little brother's. He didn't use this one through the school year, so we're going to recycle it. So you can also recycle some of the notebooks you didn't use. For this, cover the entire front with glue stick, and before it dries, cover it with a cute paper. I chose a paper with mini donuts in gold and in different colors. To continue with the sweet donut theme, I added a metallic sticker and wrote the word sweet. So you can also write a word or phrase that matches the theme you choose. Finally, I added a small heart at the end to make this even more cute. The third and last idea is one of the cutest and most creative ideas out of these 3. First, cover your notebook with white paper, then choose a color to paint it. I chose mint. To make things easier, use a paper that already comes in the color of your choice or with a cute design. Once your notebook is dry, it's time to decorate. So I'm gonna use these really cute and glittery stickers which I got from Walmart. I wasn't super sure where to put the stickers, if I wanted them on the top or on the center. So I actually went with the center and I spelled the word cute. Then we'll use a small paper triangle to trace it onto our notebook. So basically for this, draw a triangle on any paper, then cut it out and use it to trace it onto the notebook. Leave a small space underneath it and on each side. Draw some upside down triangles and some triangles facing up. At the end, your notebook should look something like this. For the following step, go ahead and use a cutting mat or a piece of cardboard or even anything or any surface that you do not mind messing up. Use an X-Acto knife to cut all of the triangles. And because we're cutting cardboard from the notebook cover, this step can be a little tricky, so ask an adult if you need some help. In the end, your notebook will have a really pretty and unique pattern or design. And let me tell you the story of how I came up with this design. Have you seen the ripped jeans with pattern fabric underneath? Like through the ripped sections, you can actually see the fabric just like these. So in this notebook idea, this ice cream paper will actually be the fabric which will be visible through the triangles. And finally, this is how the 3 notebooks ended up looking. So you can also decorate your notebooks for this school year. You can also then show them to your friends so they know that your notebooks are the cutest. Alright guys, and this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video and like the DIYs and the ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't be missing any of the future or following videos. And also share this video so more people can take a look at these 3 DIYs. And see you on the following project. Bye guys!